Good evening, everybody. This is Michael Filigera. I'm with logicalsignals.com and also tradershelpingtraders.com. And this is the Elliott wave update for the S&P 500 index, the future, the ES, for Monday, May 3rd, 2021. Again, not much to be adding today. The S&P basically held higher levels most of the day, sold off towards the end of the session, and continues to sell off just a little bit as we start Globex session. Now, so we don't have a lot to be adding to the current analysis, where we continue to find what position the market is in. If the market is, as we have been discussing, if we're going to be moving the third wave up to here and the fourth wave over to here, or possibly a new low here, those remain possible. So we're going to be still basically holding to the same analysis that was presented on yesterday's update. Again, for today, we continue to have support and resistance at 4,182. We can get a move above 4,194. That's going to lead us to a little bit stronger conclusion that possibly this fourth wave ended here. But remember, we're continuing to also work with the prospect that this particular high at 4,211 completed that intermediate third wave, which we have been holding off and attempting to put into place again at a new high, as would be my preferred. But if we have to here, then that's going to suggest that we're in the beginning stages of an intermediate fourth wave correction, and this market should be moving a lot lower, a lot quicker. So being stymied right in here continues to leave open the possibility that the buyers are going to come back in and push it up to resistance at 4,225 to 4,236. And then we have additional resistance at between 4,275 and 4,300, and just above 4,300 actually is that level. And that's also very possible to complete the third wave and then set the stage for this much larger intermediate fourth wave correction that we would be looking at. For right now, we should continue to find support at 4,174. We have the 200-day moving average on the hourly chart coming in right at that level, 4,174. We have 4,165 just below that, and that should contain, if indeed this is going to be just a small subminuet fourth wave, if we're going to move that over here. And I leave it as it is because the market still hasn't confirmed to us in either direction as to what the intent is. So if we are dropping in the beginning stages of an intermediate fourth wave correction, it should be breaking below 4,160 pretty cleanly. And that has held the market for quite some time now. So I suspect that it's going to continue before we see an additional rally phase and then the completion of that intermediate third, and then we get that drop into the intermediate fourth. That's how I'm going to leave it for today. Continue to trade what's in front of you, use your moving averages, and also the Fibonacci and Elliott patterns. Next update will be Tuesday, May 4th.